Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine. And you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall discuss about relative class. So, what is relative class? We have already discussed that as per use of conjunctions. Could understand? Conjunctions means after, before, when, whenever, while, as soon as, since, till, until. Once, where, as if, as though, how, so that, in order that, because, then, though, although, no matter, why, if, whether, unless, however, even though. These are the subordinates. Could understand, sir? So there are other coordinators, so we will go further in when necessary. But these are the subordinated. When these subordinates are used in a sentence, the sentence becomes a complex. You know, as per use of conjunctions, sentences are of three types. One is simple, another is compound, another complex. And complex sentences are of three types. One is noun clause, that is Visheshya Upavakya. Another is adjective or relative clause, that is Visheshana Upavakya. And the third one is adverb clause, that is what? Kriya Visheshana Upavakya. So here we shall discuss the relative clause or adjective clause. विशेषण संबंध उपवाक्य. विशेषण by संबंध उपवाक्य. Okay. So there are four relative pronouns. Pronoun means what? A word which replaces a noun is called pronoun, and a word which replaces. What did I say? A word which replaces a noun is called a pronoun. A word which replaces a pronoun is called relative pronoun. So there are four relative pronouns. They are who, whom, which, that. Who, whom are used for persons, but which that are used for things. Who is also a relative pronoun. It replaces a possessive case pronouns. Okay. So relative pronouns. These are relative pronouns, and by mistake I have not written that whose. The word whose, relative pronoun whose. The word which is used in place of a noun called pronoun. Sorry, the word which is used in the place of a noun is called pronoun, and the word which is used in the place of pronoun is called relative pronoun. So to say, whose is also a relative pronoun. Seminti kayagara whose madode relative pronoun. A relative clause begins with one of the relative pronouns who, whom, which, that, which, whose, and it is placed just after the noun it refers to, which is called antecedent. ତା ପୂର୍ବ ପଦ ପାଖରେ ଥାଏ. ଜେନେରାଲି ମୁଁ କ'ଣ କହିଲି, ନାଉନ୍ ରିଲେଟିଭ୍ କ୍ଲାସ୍ ଗୁଡ଼ାକ କେଉଁଥିରେ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରି କହୁଛି ମୁଁ କହିଛି. Relative clause gudaako generally begins with relative pronouns like who, whom, which, that, and whose. Could you understand? So here, fill in the blanks choosing the correct alternative. All days glitter is not gold. So all means it is not, all is not a person. Could understand? So we can't use who, we can't use whose, we can't use which. The correct answer is C. Right?
Yes.
All that glitters is not gold. Right? Next one is don't sit on this chair. Days has a broken leg. Chair is a non-living thing. Chair is a non-living thing. So we can't use who, whom. Instead of we will use either which or that. The right answer is which. Correct C. Right? Next one is the boy. The boy is a person. The boy days book I have borrowed is our monitor. The boy jar boyta mu anichi. Jar means whose book. Correct answer is whose. Next, ପିଲାଟି ଯାହାର ବହିଟା ମୁଁ ଆଣିଛି. ପିଲାଟି ଯାହାର means whose. Next, the shopkeeper days I was working for is a good person. तो ଯାହା ପାଇଁ the shopkeeper, ଯାହା ପାଇଁ ମୁଁ କାମ କରୁଛି, for whom, that means is a good person. So this shopkeeper number 4 is, you know, that is A. Who? This shopkeeper who I was working for is a good person. जहाँ पाई बेले whom लागिया कथा but modern style रे for whom टाकू separate करी who कराउची here for कराई. So right answer is, right alternative is what? A. Right. Next one is, tell me. So Mr. Das, this brother is a doctor, lives next door. Mr. Das, A, who, B, whose, C, whom, D, that. Which is correct? Number 5. B. B is Mr. Das, whose brother is a doctor, lives next door. B is correct. Jar, bhai. This is also relative pronoun. I have told you. Mr. Das, jar, bhai. Next one is, do you know the reason there are no penguin at the North Pole? Do you know the reason that? So number 6 is B.
Number 6.
Do you know the reason why there are no penguin at the North Pole? So this is the, but this is not a relative pronoun. Could you understand? This is not a relative pronoun. Next one is, there are many people, their lives have been spoiled by rights. ଦଙ୍ଗା ସମୟରେ ଗୁଡ଼ାଏ ଲୋକ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଗୁଡ଼ାଏ ଲୋକ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଯାହାର ଜୀବନ ଦଙ୍ଗା ସମୟରେ ଯାହାର means what? Right answer is whose. Number C is correct.
Yes.
Number C is correct. Next one is 8. The man dash the police arrested is not known to me. ଲୋକଟା ଯାହାକୁ ପୋଲିସ ଧରିଲା, ଯାହାକୁ means whom, right? ଯାହାକୁ ପୋଲିସ ଗିରଫ କଲା. Lots of people died of COVID-19 days is really tragic. So number B, ଯେଉଁଟା କି ଭାରି ଦୁଃଖପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ. So B is correct. 9B is correct. Yes, 9B is correct. No, 9B is correct. B is correct. Right. Next one is, this is the funniest serial. Dash has come on TV. Which? B, that. And this one is number 10. Number 10. Tell me. Number 10. Number 10. Number 10. Which? That who? This is who? This is who? Yes. Number 10 is, you know, B. Number 10 is B. Correct? Number 10 is B. Okay. The place days we spent our holidays was really beautiful. So who, which, where, when? Which is 11? C.
C.
ସ୍ଥାନଟା ଯେଉଁଠାରେ. Next one is, the person days loves best. 12. 12B. 12B, who? The person who loves last loves best. Could understand? Next one is 13. All is well that ends well. Correct one is B.
Yes.
Satish Dash scored a goal in the last. Satish, that is 14. That this is which? What did I say?
Which?
Whom? Next 14 is B. Satish which scored a goal in the last. So let's see. Question number 14. What is it? It is in Satish which scored a goal in the last minute was fortunate. Satish scored a goal in the last. Satish Dash scored a goal in the last minute was fortunate. Last minute was fortunate. Full stop. So, right answer is Satish who scored a goal in the last minute was fortunate. Right answer is C. 14C is correct.
Yes. Number B. B.
No, B is not correct. B is wrongly given. Could understand? So 14 Satish is a person. Could understand? We can't use which in place of right. 14 C. Next one is join each of the following pairs of sentences by making one clause as a relative clause. Yes, we shall do it. Right? This is the boy, I met him yesterday. So, first, relative clause colored while doing a relative clause, we shall mark the relation between the two words. The boy is this is the boy, I met him. So, the boy is related. The boy is related. The boy is related with him. Could understand? Or him is the pronoun of the boy. So we will remove this is the boy, we will remove him. Instead of him, we shall use the relative pronoun whom. Where in the beginning of the sentence, this is whom. Now the sentence became whom I met yesterday. Could understand? Now let's do it. So here we will remove what? We will remove what? Him. Could understand? We will remove what? Him. Okay. Yes. So, who, and instead of him, we shall write here whom. Right? So, it will become whom clause. It is related to the boy. We shall paste it just after the boy. Could understand? Paste it just after the boy. Okay. And now let's remove it. The sentence becomes, this is the boy whom I met yesterday. So, right answer is, this is the boy I met, this is wrong, this is the boy I met yesterday, wrong, I met the boy yesterday, this is the boy which I met, this is wrong. So, this is the boy I met yesterday. Whom I met yesterday, generally A is right. ଏଠି କ'ଣ କରିଛି whom can be this use of whom is optional in this case. You can write or not. Next one is tell me about the old man. You met him in the library. So tell me about the old man. Old man is related to him. Could understand? ଆମେ କ'ଣ କରିବା ଲେଟ୍ସ ରିମୁଭ୍ ହିମ୍ ୟେସ୍ ନାଓ ରାଇଟ୍ ହିମ୍ ଇନଷ୍ଟେଡ୍ ଅଫ୍ ହିମ୍ ୱି ୱିଲ୍ ରାଇଟ୍ ହୁମ୍ ଇଟ୍ସ ରିଲେଟିଭ୍ ପ୍ରୋନାଉନ୍ ଇଜ୍ ହୁମ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ସ୍ମଲ୍ ଲେଟର୍ ୟେସ୍ now it became what class whom class सी जागिर कोडे जागो रिलेटेड थिला नाउन आगे रहिजिवो का सहित रिलेट हेगी थिला सो अबाउट द ओल्ड मैन सो वी विल यूज इट जस्ट आफ्टर ओल्ड मैन पेस्ट whom I met yesterday. So now let's remove this one. The sentence is tell me about the old man whom I met yesterday. Tell me about the old man you met him library. No. Tell me about the old man whom you met in the library. In the library yesterday. No, it is not. The sentence is tell me which number 16. Number 16. Tell me about the old man you met him in the library. That is not whom I met in the library. In the library. Okay, the right answer is tell me about the old man you met him in the library. Tell me about the old man whom you met in the library. Perhaps B is correct. 16 B is correct. Right? Yes, B is correct. Next one is 17. The toy is broken. I bought it for my child. So here toy is related it. Could understand it? So toy is non-living thing. In its relative pronoun is its pronoun is it, and its relative pronoun is which. So we will remove it. This will become which, right? So it became which I bought for my child. The toy, say which class will be placed just after the toy. Toy pachare lagijibo. So let's do it. So let's remove it. Instead of it, I am going to write which. WHICH which. Now it became which class, and this class is related to the toy. So we will write this one just after a toy. Yes, let's paste it. Yes, paste it. So the toy which I bought for my child is broken. Now let's remove this one. Delete this one. Okay, done. 17. Could understand? 17. Which is correct? The toy is broken. No. The toy which I bought for my child is broken. Number B is correct. 17. Right? Number B is correct. Next one is 18. A journalist is a person. She writes for a newspaper. A journalist. So he, she, instead of he, she, we will write who. and it automatically becomes a journalist. A journalist who writes for a newspaper is a person. Could understand that is 18 number. So a journalist is a person who writes for a newspaper. B is correct. Right? Next one is 19. The chair has a broken leg. He is sitting on the chair. So the chair is related to the chair. So chair is non-living thing. Instead of it, we shall use which. Could understand? So let's do it. On sorry. Which? Yes, this one. On which? So WHICH. On which? W should be small letter. Which? He, small letter. H, small letter. Right. The chair has a broken leg which he is sitting on. So, which clause will be placed just after the phrase the chair? So, let's select. Copy. Then here. Paste. The chair which he is sitting on has a broken leg. The other things should be deleted. So, right answer is the chair has a broken. No, the chair who has a broken leg which is sitting on. Number B is correct. Number the chair which, yes, number C is correct. The chair which he is sitting on has a broken leg. C is correct. Okay. Next one is, tell me. Question number 20. Manasa looks after the family. He is a bank manager. So, Manasa, its pronoun is Manasa. Its pronoun is he. Instead of he, we will write who. So it became who clause. Who is a bank manager. It will be inserted just after Manasa. So right answer is Manasa, who is a bank manager, looks after the family. Number A is correct.
Yes.
Which number? 20? No.
D.
Manasa, who is a bank manager, looks after the family. D. Wait just 1 minute. Let's see. Manasa, who is a bank manager, looks after the family. A is defining here comma is not given A because it is a non-defining clause. In a non-defining clause, generally the clause is written in a double comma, between a double comma. So double comma is not given in A. So right answer is D because D is written here. Manasa, comma, who is a bank manager, comma, looks after the family. Could understand? Next D is correct. Next one is, my father is a doctor. He is working at Koraput. My father is related. My father is related. He instead of he we write who. So who clause? My father who is working at Koraput is a doctor. My father who is working at Koraput is a doctor. My father who is working at Koraput. C is correct.
Yes.
Right? 21.
C.
C is correct because this is defining non-defining clause and a comma is given. But A is incorrect because it is not written with a comma. Right? Next one is, pick out the sentence which has a relative clause. It was nothing less than a letter to God. No, don't send the money through the mail because the post office. No, this is because is here. Because is because is an adverb, so it is not a relative clause. The only thing the earth needed was a down for at least a soil. As is adverb, as is adverb, it is not right. So C is right. Let's see which one is 22. 22 C is correct.
Yes.
Here zero relative. Here zero relative is used. The only thing which it's understood relative pronoun is which. Right? So this is the relative clause. Or so this is the sentence which has a relative clause. Next one is 23. I even you know, even is the adverb, so it is not a relative clause. My own collection is that this is the that it is just after a verb that clause is used. This is a noun clause, not a relative clause. Next one is my shyness was. My shyness was one of the reason for this aloofness, which I now see wrong. So here which is used, which is the relative pronoun. So number C is correct. 23. Number C is correct. Number C is correct. Next one is D. I was ashamed of myself and no, it is not. It is a compound sentence. At first, the tiger cub, who was named Timothy by grandfather, was brought up on milk. A is correct because who, relative pronoun who is used. Okay, with this, that is the end of today's English grammar class on relative clause. We shall discuss the other classes in our next session. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.